All of our videos have been like, just watch the crazy dog, but this one isn't. This one is a quiz. You need to watch all 1 and 2 crazy dog episodes to be able to do this quiz. Question 1. What is Coco's favourite treat? Meaty Meals treats or canned dog food? It is Meaty Meals treats. What colour is my dog? Brown and white or just white? Dun 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 dun. It was brown and white. What is Coco's favourite time to play, and what does he like to play with? I'm going to show you a bit of footage of when he plays and what he plays with. He also likes to bite. That's one of his activities. And his other one is to play with a ball. This is kind of a rhetorical question, but which one is his favourite? Playing with a ball or biting? I know, because I know my dog. He likes playing with the ball better. Question 3. Is my dog a male or female? I know, but not how you think I would know, by his personality. You look back at the other videos and see his personality. The answer is male, because he likes playing with a ball. Humans like playing with a ball, but in a football kind of way, and rugby and all that. So it's kind of obvious he's a male. What age is my dog? 1-year-old or 4 months? I know none of you are going to know this, so just guess. Dun 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 dun. He is 1 year old. Look back at the other videos for this question. Is my dog a Chihuahua or other? Dun 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 dun. My dog is a Chihuahua. Oh, Chihuahua. Oh, Chihuahua. You have to guess this question. Does Coco ever walk on his 2 feet at the back? Well, by the way, it was a bit of both, because that was kind of a rhetorical question.